Student, good evening. Today we are going to see the chapter, that is chapter number 11, and the chapter name is the pronoun. You open your page, that is page number 57. Now, pronoun you have already got in lower class, and it is very clear to you. Pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Raju is a good boy. In Raju's place, we have to use he is a good boy. Sita is a good girl. In Sita's place, we have to use she is a good girl. So, student, you have to know that pronoun equal pro plus noun. So the word pronoun means supporter of a noun. Now, if we'll repeat the noun all the times, Raju is a boy, Raju lives in Jorhat, Raju's father is a teacher, Raju is good in studies. If we'll tell all the time Raju, 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 the listener or the hearer will get tired. Therefore, if we'll tell that Raju is a boy, he lives in Jorhat, his father is a teacher, he is good in studies, then it will be easy for the hearer to understand it and they will not feel boring. Therefore, you have to know that pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid its repetition. So, student, it is clear to you? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid its repetition. Now, in lower classes, we have not studied the pronoun elaborately, but in class 6 we are going to study pronoun elaborately. Now, first of all, we have to know the kinds of pronouns. Pronoun is divided into 6 kinds. Number 1, personal pronoun. Number 2, reflexive pronoun. Number 3, demonstrative pronouns. Number 4, interrogative pronouns. Number 5, relative pronouns. And number 6, indefinite pronouns. Now, number 1 we are going to see is personal pronouns. Now, what is personal pronouns? That one you have to know. Pronouns that is used for 3 types of persons are called personal pronouns. Now, once more I'm telling, pronouns that is used for 3 types of persons are called personal pronoun. Now, 3 types of person means you may not understand it because you are getting for the first time. There are 3 persons: first person, second person, and third person. Suppose first person is I am, and second person is, suppose I am talking to somebody, that is second person, and the third person who is listening to us, that one will be the third person. So first person will be me, suppose I am talking something, and second person will be with whom I am talking, and third person will be the person who is listening to us, that one will be our third person. So, first person, the person who speaks. You have to be clear with that. The person who speaks will be the first person. And the pronouns of the first person will be I, we, me, us, mine, ours. Once more I'm repeating. I, we, me, us, mine, ours. So first person means you have to always remember the person who speaks is the first person. And second person is the person who is spoken to. The person who is spoken to is known as the second person. Already I told that I am speaking with somebody. So the person who is spoken to, that one will be the second person. And the pronouns which will fall in second persons are you, yours. Now third person. Third person is that the person spoken of. Now already I told that I am speaking with somebody and somebody is listening. So the person who is listening, that one will be of the third person, and here the person spoken of will be the third person. And examples of third person will be he, him, his, she, her, hers, they, them, theirs, and it. So once more I'm repeating. The person who speaks will be the first person. The person who is spoken to will be the second person, and the person who is spoken of, that one will be the third person. So student, personal pronoun is clear with you. I think there are three types of persons, and those three types of persons are only called a personal pronoun. Means pronoun use three types of persons, and those persons are called personal pronouns. First person, second person, and third person. First person is who speaks, second person is spoken to, and third person is spoken of. Now second is reflexive pronoun. Now you have already got that pronouns like him, them, my, her. If we will add their self, 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 or if we'll add their selves, selves, then it will become a reflexive pronoun. When self or selves is added to personal pronouns, that is only known as what? Reflexive pronoun. Or easily you can understand that reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self or selves to personal pronoun. Now you listen the example: myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, itself, herself, themselves, himself. So you see, reflexive pronouns are used in three ways: as objects to refer to the subjects normally. I feel over and hurt myself. She wants all of us to be around herself. I hope you are enjoying yourself. You can dry yourself with a towel. So, as object, when as object to refers to the subject, then it is used as, then it is known as object to refer to the subjects normally. And second one is if stress is given on the noun, or if it is emphasized on a noun, then you see the example: the queen herself came to see her sick mate. I have done this job myself. Now third one is as reciprocal pronoun. Vimala and Kamala love each other. Each other will be the reciprocal pronoun. The injured workers help one another. Here, one another will become a reciprocal pronoun. Each accused blame the other. Here, each and other will become the reciprocal pronoun. So, once more I am repeating about reflexive pronoun. You listen it carefully. Reflexive pronoun is the pronoun when self or selves is added to the personal pronouns. Example: myself, himself, yourself, themself, herself, etc. And reflexive pronouns are used in three ways. That is, as object to refer to the subjects normally, to emphasize a noun, and third is as reciprocal pronoun. Now, third one, we are going to see demonstrative pronoun. Now, what is demonstrative pronoun? That one we have to see first. A demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that points to the noun it is used for, and it used to point the noun directly. That one you have to remember, that in demonstrative pronoun it is to point the noun directly, means it is to demonstrate the noun. This is my pen and that is yours. This and that, it will be demonstrative pronoun. It is Ram, or it is a pen, it is a car. Then you have to know that it is what? Demonstrative pronoun. The color of my shirt is better than that of Mohan. Here, that will become the demonstrative pronoun. Next example you see, you sang a song to her, sing the same to me. Here, the same will become the demonstrative pronoun. Next example you see, your toy is red, but mine is a blue one. Here one will become the demonstrative pronoun. So, student, it is very easy to understand. Always you have to remember the words like this, that, it, the same, and one. If you'll remember these words, then you will be clear that these words are the demonstrative pronoun. Now, you have to remember that this is the table. So, this will be the demonstrative pronoun. That is my pen. That will be the demonstrative pronoun. It is a fan. It will become demonstrative pronoun. This is my shirt, but that is Raju's. So that will become a demonstrative pronoun. So student, I think it is clear to you. So today in this class we only discussed about three types of pronoun, that is personal pronouns, reflexive pronoun, and demonstrative pronoun. Personal pronouns, you have to remember the three types of person, that is first person, second person, and third person. First person is who speak, second person is who is spoken to, and third person is spoken of. And reflexive pronoun is that when self or selves is added to the personal pronoun, it becomes reflexive pronoun. Example: myself, yourself, himself, themselves, herself. And demonstrative pronoun is that points to the noun it is used for. This is my pen, so this is demonstrative pronoun. That is our home, that will be the demonstrative pronoun. She lives in that building. So she lives in it, so it will become demonstrative pronoun. So student, today we ended our class with this only, and you try to go through the lesson thoroughly and try to understand the pronouns. Okay, thank you.